Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you are going to enter your payment method on your iPhone or iPad device and you are getting this type of error on your iPhone device. This payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store. Try again using another payment method. So if you're having this type of error on your iPhone device while entering the payment method, then here in this video, I will show you how you can easily fix this type of problem on your iPhone or iPad device while entering the payment method. So now let's get started. Here you can see that when I enter payment method and then I try to tap on done, and here you can see that here you will have to enter your Apple ID password. So here you can see that here is the problem. This payment method cannot be used with the iTunes store. Try again using another payment method. So in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this type of problem. So first of all, here you will need to go back, then close this tab. After that, here you will need to open setting on your iPhone device. Then here you will need to scroll it below. Then here, first of all, tap on general, then tap on software update, and first of all you will have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you will have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here you need to open your Apple ID profile. Then after that, here scroll it below, then tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. So after that, you will see this type of interface. Here you will need to tap on country or region. Then here tap on change country or region. Then after that, here you will need to select your own country where your payment method belongs. Here I'm going to select my own country or region. So after that, here you will need to tap on agree if you agree with these terms and conditions. Then you will see this type of interface. Here you will have to enter your payment method. So here you will need to enter your payment method. Here first of all you will have to enter your debit or credit card numbers and make sure that you are entering the correct debit or credit card number. Then after that, here below you will have to enter the expiry date of your debit or credit card, and here you will have to enter the security code which will be mentioned in the back side of your debit or credit card. Here you can see that here is the security code. Then after that, here you will need to scroll it below. Then here you will have to put your billing address. Here you can also enter the fake one. Then here you will need to enter your city. Then here below you will have to enter the zip code of your city. If you don't know the zip code of your city, then you can check from Google. Then after that, here you will need to enter your mobile phone number. You can also enter fake one if you don't want to enter your original one. Then after doing that, you will need to tap on next. Then after that, hopefully your problem will be fixed and you will not get this type of error on your iPhone or iPad device.